Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today Phoebe is more than ready for her treat. She loves these pajamas. Like anytime she sees one of her shirts, she has a few t-shirts, and anytime she sees them, she gets really excited, waiting on me to put them on her. Better put her down so she can get her feet out the little holes. But anyway, she loves her clothes. Yeah, Phoebe. Oh, you like them. You like them, don't you? So, today is the day 23 of our Advent yarn baggie, and Phoebe took her back leg out of her pajamas now. So, are you ready for your treat? You ready? Let's dig in here. Oh, Phoebe. Let's see. Oh, there's a treat for you. There you go. And here's my little baggie for day 22. No, 23. Oh, yes, 23. Let's see. Ooh, Phoebe. I see something in there good. Get that bag out of the way. Okay, the yarn is definitely Charisma yarn. I know I've used this plenty of times. I've made Elijah lots of things with this yarn because he likes the orange mixed in with the blue and the gray. So it's definitely Charisma, and that'll make a cute little stocking. And then the other thing in my baggie was this little Twix candy bar. So I'm going to put it down here and have it later. Phoebe. Phoebe's looking for more TREAT. So, tell me, what else have you got to get done to get ready for Christmas? Today is actually our Christmas. So, we'll be celebrating that when Jody comes home. We're going to have like finger foods. Oh, I have a list right here, my grocery list. We're going to have like rotel, chip and dip, pimento cheese sandwiches, deviled eggs, pigs in the blanket, excuse me, pigs in the blanket, and then meatballs. And then I think we have some cookies and an apple pie. So we're just having those sandwiches and little party snacky foods is what we're having for dinner tonight. As we just sit around as a family and open a couple of little gifts and, and just enjoy one another. For me, my sons are grown. Right now they both live at home, but I know that's not going to be always. So I just cherish each moment because, we may not be in this situation next year. They may live somewhere else or, have other things going on in their life. So I do just cherish that we can all be together this holiday season. And I was looking to see what Phoebe was looking at. She was watching the security cameras. So she's silly. And so anyway, she does watch the other dogs when they go out. She'll get over here and turn and watch them run around the yard. And sometimes she'll bark at them, but anyway, so I'd like to know how you're celebrating, what you're doing, what have you gotten, are you ready, what else you need to do to get ready, and things like that. So, tell me in the comments, and, but I hope you all have a blessed day. I thank you all so much for tuning in and watching and communicating with me and just letting me know, how you're doing. Like I said, we're celebrating. Excuse me. We're celebrating today, so I'll have pretty much the rest of the week off to kind of just do little things that I want to get done, and which is I want to work in my notebooks, my planners, my journal, and get things like set up for 2020. So that's what I'm going to be working on. And several people have said that they would like to see my notebooks, the different types of notebooks I have. And like, I do have a lot of notebooks that I keep up with through the year, but they're not that demanding. Like my menu notebook, I only, work on it twice a month. And my things like that. Now, so it's not every day that I've got to, work in each one of these notebooks or whatever. And then if I, miss some time in one, it's no big deal. There's not a rule looming over me saying I have to do that, It's just something, I used to be very, very rigid about getting things done in the house, being in order and all that kind of stuff. But as my health declined, my expectations had to decline too, unfortunately. But we need to get back on top of some things that have been left, that my attention hasn't been on. And so both my boys do clean. They clean up and tidy up after themselves and after all of us. I mean, they really do. They, cook and clean too. But we've been doing a lot of surface cleaning, I guess, and not deep cleaning. And so I just want a good deep cleaning around the house and, get things in order. And so to me, I can't relax and enjoy doing crafts when I know there's so much other stuff that needs to be done. And so I want to be able to relax and enjoy that. And I say that to the kids all the time. I'll say, why don't you go ahead and clean that up tonight, and then tomorrow you can just relax and enjoy your day. And, they just look at me like I'm crazy. Or sometimes I'll say something like, why don't you go ahead and get the kitchen all clean tonight, and then you'll be able to sleep better tonight knowing it's clean. And they're like, yeah, that's going to keep me awake. It's going to keep me awake. Okay. Anyway, they're good guys. And so I appreciate them so very much. I don't know what I would do without them, to tell you the truth. But anyway, so it's day 23, and I'm going to wind it up right here and go and see what I need to do to help us get ready for tonight and enjoy our time with Jody when he gets home from work. So I will see you all tomorrow on the 24th. Bye, friends.